Hi, I'm Jan from VelomobileWorld.com and we shoot here a maintenance video, so have fun. This video is about adjusting the front light. I adjusted my bulk from 5 meters from the wall, so I have a little bit distance to see the slope which it goes down. I'm lucky I have this space in the workshop. But if you don't, go outside, try to find a flat spot and then you can adjust the height. The headlight here is on 40 centimeter and I can see already with my naked eye the top of the line is definitely higher than 40 centimeters. You need to have 25-30 centimeters, so you have a bit a downslope in order you're not blinding upcoming traffic. So I adjusted now about approximately, and I go there and I measure and I have now 22. So that's a little bit too little because then the slope is too much. So I adjusted a little bit. Measure again and I have now 27, so that's pretty okay, between 25 and 30 centimeters. So now I switch on the hotspot light. That light is about 88 centimeters. So if I have it here on 5 meter and I have a 55, so I have a nice slope already downhill or downwards. So that's okay. If the light is too much down, that's easy. You can push it a bit here and you can adjust the height higher. But if you need to go lower, it's a bit a challenge. You cannot do it that way. You need to unscrew these 2 screws, adjust the height, put it temporarily without the screws, hold it there, see if it's correctly, make sure it's correctly and tight these screws back on again. So for the front light it's much easier. If you have a top light or in the light in the hotspot, it's a little bit more complex. I hope you enjoyed the videos about the maintenance. If you have still some ideas, please let them in the comments. But before you put comments, have a look to the other videos. Maybe we uploaded your question already. Don't forget to subscribe and have fun. See you next time.